In this video, I'm going to show you how I went from this center console with a phone dock to this center console with way more space. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, I recently purchased this F25 X3 as my daily driver. This car has been wonderful, but my particular spec came with the center console docking station for mobile devices. I, along with most people, don't actually use this, so I'm going to end up removing it and swapping it out for a much deeper storage compartment. So follow along if you're interested in replacing this on your X3 or X4, and let's get started. There's going to be Torx heads up here. And next I'm going to take my little pick tool. I'm just going to get underneath this rubber mat so I can get to the screw holes. There's going to be 4 down here, all Torx bits. Alright, it all comes out fairly easy. You just need to pull it a little hard. Alright, we're going to get all these little tabs here, try to get this separated from the bigger plastic piece. Now I've seen some other people just go ahead and cut this off. I want to be extra careful in case they want to return the car back to original form. So I'm going to take electrical tape and just cover the circuit board and then throw it in underneath this shelf here. Okay. I stuffed it down there. Now I just have these 3 here. I'm now going to bring my new piece in. We are going to make sure we disconnect these. Guy here. This one here. And then lastly, this one here. Put it in like that. There. We only have 3 holes now to fill. And that's it. So in conclusion, this is a pretty simple step-by-step process. I would highly recommend doing this if you need some more space in your center console. Now, for those of you that have been subscribers for this channel, I want to thank you very much for sticking around. It's been a while since I posted something, and I'm looking to start posting some more here soon. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.